How are you?
Walk me through your stuff. Pretty cool.
Oh, appreciate it. Are you a builder? Or? Oh, nice. So this is our DC motor. That's a 1 horsepower. That's on 80 volts, 2 solar panels. The kit comes with 3, so it's a little more flow than you're seeing now. That's $3,600 delivered to the location anywhere in our country. And then we have our heater, and that's 4 panels right now, doing about 130 degrees of heat.
Wow.
That little heater right there is good for a spa, a little pool. You put 2 of those together, and all of a sudden you got a nice, 10,000 gallon pool heater. You can add more to it.
Can you put them on a roof?
That stands by the pool equipment, but you put the PV panels by the roof.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah, this all runs off solar, and it also runs on the grid as well.
That is so awesome.
Yeah.
I just built my own pool.
Oh, sweet. What pump did you use?
Yeah, Hayward variable.
Speed. Yeah, so this is variable speed by the sun. So what you do is you put this right next to it, common suction, and then both the return on mine and yours has a check valve. So you just let this thing rip every single day for free, and you turn yours on for nighttime or backup.
So awesome.
Yeah.
So what's cool? What's pump with heater?
Well, the heater's over here. Let me grab that. Well, this one right here is the 20K, and this one's about 10 grand, 7,000 after tax credit. Most pools with a nice cover will probably only need the 40 or 80K.
Yeah.
And those are going to...
Most pools we do have on it.
Yeah, it's going to be about 14 or 30 grand. But you also get a tax credit for your install, everything. So that's a really cool thing, man, about the pumps and the heaters.
Yeah.
All of a sudden, you can get 30% tax credit on your install job.
That's cool.
Yeah, you're going to say, well, golly gee, I'll just throw these things in to get that tax credit.
Right. So what does it do?
Yeah, it's a nano heater.
Okay.
So a nanotechnology, and the nano heater is a really small little particle, right? A nano, it's a billion times smaller than you are. And what happens is an electron from the sun on the solar panel or electron from the grid, as long as the electron goes into the heater and hits a nanoparticle, that nanoparticle vibrates, it makes 170 degrees.
Wow.
And when that polymer material has millions of those nanoparticles, there's a thermal radiant heater in here, a thermal water heater, that grabs that heat from the polymer nanoparticle and sends the water through the PVC into the tub or your pool or wherever, or a water heater. Like hotels are using this heater to offset their broilers running.
Yeah.
Just keep the 5 tanks of 200 gallons up to 150 degrees. But this will last 100 years. Yeah, there's no moving parts in here, so this will last 100 years. There's nothing that'll go bad.
Awesome. So you just have your solar panels on the roof.
Yeah.
And they're feeding that.
Yeah, and you can also have a grid tie. That price is the grid tie too. So everything on that pricing has the grid attachment.
And then how much electricity are you pulling?
Right now, about 2K. Right now. On solar, you don't care. Right now, we overkill it. Right now, this is running around 4 solar panels. Look, that price comes with 8. So it's like double the power.
Yeah.
But when you're sending 10 gallons a minute on it, it's like 10 degrees. So every one that goes up, it's more flow rate. It's just still 10 degrees coming out from water coming in. But that builds up after 6 hours, 10 hours, a day, 2 days, whatever. Yeah. But the cool thing is, it has enough heat. Typically, when you have it covered, if it loses the heat 6 degrees at night, it should kick it up. Most pools lose maybe 4.
Where do you ship out of?
Laguna Niguel, Orange County, and Simi Valley.
Really cool. Awesome. Well, thank you.
Thank you, sir.